Some background on Advisor. Advisor is our talent analytics platform. It takes talent information and makes it easy to analyze it. The magic begins with a 25-minute, highly validated survey. Advisor gathers responses and stores them. Advisor is a modern web platform accessible around the world using any standard browser. We measure 11 talent characteristics, all directly related to performing in a business role. We measure stable characteristics. They don't change much in a lifetime, making talent trends even more valuable to a business over time. After logging into Advisor, you see a company named Global Solutions. Let's review the talent information in Global Solutions. We easily select the company by clicking on it. Global Solutions has currently gathered feedback from 6 groups. Advisor can measure and store talent data on millions of people per day to accommodate any size company. Let's explore the Executive Team folder. For this demo, names have been replaced with titles as a way to help you understand our system. In our live system, real names would be displayed. For now, don't worry about what the scores mean. The Executive Team folder shows a few things. First, it shows people. There's a list of an executive team and 2 VP marketing candidates. Second, we show people's survey scores. We know these mean nothing to you at the moment. A few things you'll notice. Talent data is displayed as numbers, making it measurable, trendable, visualizable, like all other business data. All columns are sortable. This begins the analytics process. Data summaries are calculated. Sometimes this is interesting, and sometimes not. The point is that Advisor has started advising. Businesses review Advisor's data, using talent analytics as an additional and unbiased point of reference. Though this is an interesting view, some people like graphical views instead of rows and columns. Our own talent analytics research shows us different people like different approaches. So we've created a variety of visualizations. Our innovative Team at a Glance technology allows the user to visually compare both candidates, providing context. Now you can physically see if there are talent differences we could never see in a resume, or find out in an interview, though we might sense it. Though you don't know what the scores mean, I suspect you can see some differences. Let's review the biggest gap. Candidate 1 is independent and aggressive when it comes to solving problems. Candidate 2 is collaborative, wanting to make sure there is buy-in from the team. The answer about who is best for the role depends on what the role requires. Note that the candidate's approach to the role is just one of our measures. We also measure an important element called ambition, what they are driven to do, their passion and payoff. The VP of marketing candidates have very similar ambitions. With Advisor's sophisticated and, dare I say, fun analytics, business leaders gather data about differences between the candidates on both measures. Teams can also visually try on final candidates with existing teams. Forecasting personality clashes allows leaders to design teams intelligently. Perhaps they'll make different team choices, or just prepare new team members to prevent what could be a disastrous clash. In this example, we see exactly how the VP of Marketing will fit into the existing executive team. This can be explained, or shown on this graph, to both the new executive as well as the new executive team. Though we used a hiring example, imagine using Advisor's team-at-a-glance visualizations to create compatible project teams. Compare succession planning candidates. Review conflicting employees. Compare the engineering and marketing teams who just can't seem to get along. Advisor continues showing power and versatility as an enterprise application as it visualizes large sets of talent data. In this example, Global Solutions needs to roll out a new technology platform. Compliance is mandatory across the board, but it's going to be a really big change. Business leaders need to understand how to design rollout programs that work. i.e., will a phased rollout work better, or an abrupt over-a-weekend rollout for another? Using Advisor's dials, business leaders review change readiness team by team. Strong indicators of change readiness are on the two dials on the top right. You'll notice that customer service and finance are very stable. They would thrive with a phased rollout. Instant change could be devastating to their productivity. Analytics for the rest of the teams highlight a preference for instant change. A phased, methodical rollout would be likely to make them weary, anxious, and unproductive. Advisor's unprecedented ability to advise on this decision is a stunning innovation from Talent Analytics. Advisor doesn't just provide visualizations. It creates usable business tools for leaders and employees. Engineering and sales at Global Business Solutions are having compatibility issues. Their collaboration is critical to product rollout success. Absent alternate information, everyone hopes and crosses their fingers. Advisor has a better solution. Advisor's proprietary algorithms use talent information to easily generate a team playbook for 2 or 2,000 or 200,000 people in an instant. Team playbooks speed connection, avoiding communication landmines, allowing employees to focus on moving business forward. Advisor's goal: limit time gathering data. Maximize time in high-value activities like analyzing data or using it to affect business performance. The team playbook is instantly generated. It instantly creates a table of contents describing the list of employees included in the team playbook. It generates a one-page custom communication guide for every employee selected. The team playbook can be sent to both teams, providing them with a guide by person of how to connect. Advisor allows you to analyze and visualize within a team, cross-functional teams, cross-company, and cross-industry on the fly. Enterprise level. In addition to team value, talent analytics provides high value at the enterprise level. Consider the following. Imagine the scenario where Global Solutions merges with another firm. Employees try to focus on business while working with people they don't know. Managers try to lead employees they don't know, while pressure is heavy to perform. Miscommunications and misunderstandings waste precious time. Advisor helps without breaking a sweat. Employees consult their corporate name and address book for critical employee information like phone number, email address, and location. We think this is a great place to put communication tips as well. Advisor easily creates an enterprise cue card for an entire company or specified set of teams. With a click of a button, Advisor's enterprise cue card publishes accurate individual communication suggestions. Cue card tips can be added to the notes field of a name and address book entry. Imagine your entire organization having a set of just-in-time communication suggestions to help employees avoid landmines and move business along. This is innovative, simple, priceless. Talent analytics enables communication at the speed of business. What we've seen are just examples of Advisor's talent analytics functionality. Advisor is more than just a fun demo. Imagine what you'd learn with your own company's talent data. Talent analytics has arrived. It's time. If talent is strategic to your business, contact us to learn what Advisor can do for you and your business. Thanks for watching.